Archana, what we have covered in our last class?
Association of like
Associations, object
a
to
corporate.
object.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. How to create associations in between objects. That is, one object will be reporting to another, right? That is, one org unit
Yeah.
is reporting to another. So how it is done by child org unit and parent org unit. So today I will be covering some small concepts like, okay, first of all, tell me, uh, what is the action name now to configure the objects, MDF objects?
Configure
MDF
definition,
objects.
object definition.
Yeah, configure object definition. Very good. And where will, after configuring object definition, where will be maintaining the object? What is the action name? Simple.
Manage data.
Manage. Yeah, manage data. Very good. So here we'll be maintaining, for example, legal entities there. We are maintaining the values over here. End user will be maintaining here existing values. It will be showing you, and see already maintained legal entities value will be showing you. If you want to create any legal entity, you have to create it over here. Legal entity is nothing but company code, which
Yes.
captures the profitability of the company. It has only one company code. Every company has only one company code, right? So there can't be more than one legal entity for a company. Okay. So here today, for example, suppose I am going to create one legal entity, and here in country, I want to mention like I want to create the USA legal entity. I'm just selecting the USA. See, have you seen the difference? Some fields has been added, right?
Yes.
What are these? These are country specific corporate data model. Remember it. Whenever we are selecting any field based on legal entity, I have shown you in the previous class also. This is common for all. As you can see, legal entity is mentioned for this is basically managed data. Let me show you in configure object definition. If you go to object definition, here you are selecting legal entity, USA, Thailand. What are these? Where are these applicable? These are applicable in this associations. It is associated to main legal entity. USA, if you select USA, all these fields related to USA will be showing you. Federal Reserve Bank, Federal Reserve District. So this is the main important concept for country specific corporate data model. If you select this employee company code, Federal Reserve Bank ID, it will be shown you in these fields. See, Federal Bank District, Federal Reserve Bank ID, employee ID. Employee ID will be nothing but company code, I think. Employee ID is different. Employee company code is also there, which is a standard field. Employee EEO company code. So what all these are? If you select any other country, it will be coming there. Like for example, Thailand. See, have you seen the difference? This is coming from, if you select India, it is not coming. Why it is not coming? These are the standard fields only. If you select USA, Don't go in this function, objective, foundation, date. This all we have created it. Due to some UI backend interface, it is showing down. If you want to just delete it, you can delete it. These are our custom created fields. Okay. Let us go to legal entity. But concentrate on the company specific fields. Let us delete the unnecessary fields. You can later on add it or delete it as per your choice. Legal entity date, this objective function. Yes. Let us keep this legal entity as in separate tab, and let us duplicate it, and here we'll be opening the customer specific legal entity. USA. So these are the standard fields. Now see if I refresh it. If I'm selecting country USA, now it's coming like this. See, these are USA IDs. This two name go format is also custom ID which we have created. So ignore it. So basically concentrate on these entries. These are USA specific entries. How these are coming from? When you go to legal entity USA, you'll be finding the standard fields. Are you finding the standard fields? It is taken from here. But why it is not taking India? If we are creating make correction and not this manage data. If we are selecting IND India, then India it is not taking because India is not standard created by the success factors. Now, how to create those India specific legal entity and assign is these are the associations associate with this. Not we are not going to associate only MDF object with MDF object. We will be associating legal entity object with country's corporate object with country specific corporate data model as well. Okay, legal entity with country specific legal entity. This is what associations are. So let us try for India. Now here the USA legal entity is being created. You have to hide this external code. So let me create first, you can able to understand. Let us create object. Let us first see if there is India legal entity related to India. Thailand there. No, India is not there, right? So how to create? Go to object definition.
Okay.
Yeah. Similarly, as you create custom objects, likewise you have to create, but make sure this will not be applicable to the user as we have done for other custom objects. It will not be seen in employee file. This is for our reference to link it with managed data. Okay, so that's the reason we are creating it with the custom object. So what will be the object name is like make sure code should not have any spaces, Otherwise, it will be the violation of naming convention. Legal entity IND. Okay, just write like this. Effective. What is effective? From parent. Now I've told, right, previously we were using from basic. For this kind of scenario, you will be using from parent. Okay, got it. We are just associating it to parent legal entity. That's the reason we are using from parent. API visibility editable. This is for integration consultant. MDF history, as you know the meaning of this. If we keep delete history, the history will not be remain. Only configuration history, not managed data. You may think that the managed data history will be deleted. This is only for configuration. Default screen, let it be. Now label legal entity India. Copy this, paste this, paste this. Done. Okay. Description you may write or you may not write. It's optional. Workflow will be covering in workflow. But if at all any approval is required in place for managed data support, then individuals will be creating something and saving it. It will not save immediately. Right now it is saving immediately. If there should be a workflow related to this, then you have to mention the workflow for any approval. If workflow is mentioned in place, then pending data you have to keep it as yes. Now to do category, we are creating generic objects. Legal entity is nothing but generic object. Just mention this. Now data type, mention auto number. We are not using this data type. And details you have to mention visibility, not visible. Not visible. Because company code is should nowhere shown in this. So only for that purpose we are using not visible. Okay. And let us change the external name to like this will be shown. This will be the fields which are showing under the, once you select the India, it will be shown. So in India PAN number, suppose some specific fields for India PAN number, right? NUM PER number. Done. Suppose we want effective date of the PAN number, another custom field. Now tell me how to mention that custom field. Any idea? We have to create custom field, right? Suppose I want to create effective date for PAN number. So just write here without any space. Code will be without any space. Okay. Date format, let it be 10. Now what to mention in this data type? I have told you many times.
Date.
Any idea?
Date.
Yeah, very good. Date. We are doing the PAN effective date, then we are mentioning date. And here in the label, PAN effective date. Copy this. Is this. Done. Done. Now, two fields are enough for India for now. If you want to create more fields, you can create 3-4 fields additionally and check according to that. Okay, you can just play it around. And then okay, all are fine. Save it. Yes. Now you have created legal entity India. Now which object shall I go to make these associations? We are selecting from parent, right? Which parent object shall I go now? Any idea? You have to go to legal entity, right? Legal entity India we have created. We have to go to legal entity to associate that object. See, under associations, these are the naming conventions. Then what to name here? You have to mention two. These are the naming conventions. Two, then whatever your code is, like two, LEGALENTITYIND. Okay, legal entity IND. Then here it should be one to one only. You can't associate more than one legal entity, as this is only one legal entity only we have created. So what is the base org unit? Base legal entity. Companies, what we say, country specific. Legal entity India. See, here it is showing, right? We have created. Just mention this. And here you have to mention composite. When we are associating to legal entity, we are selecting legal entity to another object like business unit and all. We are selecting valid when, and we are, if you are associating with this child object with parent object, then you are keeping it as composite. Valid when is when the effective date comes in picture, like we have made effective date 1/1/1900, right, in the field criteria. So that's the reason we are keeping valid when. Now if you are associating this country specific object legal entity to legal entity, just mention it as composite. Label, mention it as pan. Anything you can mention, not a problem. Save. Now we have missed something else. Let me show you one thing. Let me just refresh it. See, without selecting the India country, it is showing for all India PAN number, India effective date. Have you seen this? We have not yet selected India. So what we have missed, some criteria we have to give, right? We have not yet selected India, but it is showing default screen India PAN number and India effective date. For any country, it will be showing that. So for that reason, make correction. What we have missed, we have to, what is the meaning of this country of registration? Here we are linked it to generic object. Now the in first you have to create this field, as this is the standard field in legal entity. For if you are configuring any MDF object, to link that also we are linking it country wise. So you have to first mention this field so that the country will be coming. Now on country basis you have to keep that country specific field. Okay, this is as you see, USA, what it is done? Got it? Country of registration, it is giving the condition. Field ID, country of registration, dot code is standard format. Here we are using, okay, fine, country of registration, what values? USA. Okay, now we have to mention IND. Are you getting me?
Yes.
If you copy this, this is what the condition meaning is. We'll be using the condition under this condition dot code. Without mentioning dot code, it will not come. This is the field value, what country value it is giving. Field name, okay, field code name, code. Then here dot code you are giving, and value is IND. If you are selecting India, then only this PAN fields will be applicable. Okay, then done. Save it. Now you have saved this entry. Now let me again go to manage data and let me refresh it. Now see, as you see, the name is gone, right? Now I'm selecting India. Got it? I've just selected India. It is showing India PAN number, PAN effective date, India reflecting field. If I show USA, it will be showing USA screens. Legal entity type, what is the legal entity type, profit, government agency, and all. These are country specific corporate data model. Now, got it? Or any doubts? Yeah?
Yeah. Got it.
Okay, fine. So this is what the legal entity object is. Similarly, you will be having the job object. How we have configured the legal entity, job MDF object, which is job classification. As I have mentioned here. Check job classification, which is nothing but job code. Similarly, it will be any MDF object which you will be configure, it will be in the similar way which we have done with legal entity. In job, there is a slight difference. I'll be showing that. See, these are country specific job classifications, as you can able to see, right? Now, take action. These fields and all making changing this field name, changing the adding the I mean all these fields, adding these fields. If you go to manage data under job classification, these are the standard fields available by default in the what you say success factors. Now in this manage any job classification which you want to search here, just make correction. These are country specific what we say country specific corporate data MDF objects, country specific MDF objects. Now what is the job classification? Job classification is basically assigned to job function, which is another MDF object which you want to create backend. So likewise, this will be working. You may even assign it to uh, level, job level and all. And this is again linked with position. How if you select one job title, it will automatically default certain values like pay grade, supervisor level, pay grade, because we are assigning those into, these are the standard objects, those into job classification. And if we are, when we start position management, what is position and all, when we select the position, first we will be selecting the job which will default certain values. We have to create job, and job is indirectly assigned to position. I think you might be aware of what is job and position. Job means like you will be having manager, director, etc. And what is position? Position is HR manager. Got it? Finance director or HR director. Position is specific. Just remember. And job describes the position. That's the reason before creating position, we will be creating job. And if under position, you have to select job. Position is assigned to job. When we'll be creating the position, when we'll be selecting the job code, that is what we have created backend. Now this job code is like, job title is administrative support. Likewise, we'll be creating under configure object definition here job classification. And we are just configuring job classification. What these are the standard fields. What are the if you want any custom fields to involve, then you can involve. Now in manage data, you are just mentioning to which pay grade it is, which supervisor level, which job function. Job function is linked to job classification. Now this will be linked to payroll. When you in the payroll, you will be finding first no, not payroll, in the position field you will be finding first job code field. Then you job code or job title field, you have to select it from the drop down. Then certain values will be defaulted like pay grade, hourly based or monthly based, or supervisor level, job function. These all will be by default, it will be defaulted because we are assigning the values here. What this defaulted values are meant in success factor terminology is propagation. This is an interview question. If you want to default other value based on the based on some other value, you have to those values are called propagation. In interview, they will be asking you what is propagation, so you have to mention the same. Okay, so this is what job classification is. The configuration is almost the same of what we have done with legal entity. Don't touch the already there fields which are pay grade and job function. If at all you want, if at all you want to change the name, you can change, but don't hide or delete it from the backends. So these are the very important fields, which are the standard fields in success factors. If you want to create any field, I have told you for all MDF objects, there are similar what we says process to create the field. You can just create it under cust and that field will be applicable based on the data type. If you want to mention country here, you have to mention any code like country registration, something like this, and you have to mention the foundation object. No, country, yeah, country is generic object. Foundation object is XML object. So you have to mention the generic object and give the country. So basically, based on this data type, if it is a pick list, you can make pick list over here. If it is a decimal, when decimal is applicable, standard weekly hours. As you can see, standard weekly hours, you may even include decimals, because under job, standard weekly hours are basically without decimals we have mentioned, but it may also take decimals also. So not to worry. So like this, the job classification can be configured. And this is the main important thing, country specific. If you select USA, under details, see, there are certain USA fields applicable here. Let us see if there is any Australia field. See, Australia fields. How these are getting propagated? I mean, how these are getting affected? If let me check if there is India. Yeah, job classification India already it is there. So I have shown you, right, associations in with legal entity country wise, how we have created legal entity country wise and associated over here. The same way with a slight tricky, it is little bit tricky. As you can see, job classification country is associated here. As you can see, job classification country is associated here. Only one, but it is showing India, Australia, USA. How, where are those associated? So here there will be a middleware which is job classification country. If you go to, let me duplicate. If you go to job classification, a part of country specific, there is an again country and region. Are you seeing this? If you click this, here those associations are built up. So whenever you are creating associations for any job, these are the standard associations build up. For India, it is not there. So similarly, you have to mention here to job classification IND India, composite type, editable in a similar way. Then here you have to give the country code. This field, where this field will be taken from? Here. In our previous, it is registration country, right? Here in job classification, in the we have to give the criteria country dot code and value is IND condition. This is condition. So here there is middleware. First we'll be creating job custom job classification country specific job classification country specific custom MDF object. If it is already there, then no need to no need to create custom object like we have created in legal entity. Okay, now where this is linked to job classification country or region, it is linked to job classification country or region. Okay, and where then it is linked to, it is linked to job classification main object job classification. So are you getting the difference? We are just linking the country specific to here. In legal entity, directly legal entity will be parent will be associating with legal entity India or USA. But here middleware is coming. Here you are associating the country specific MDF objects. Then this for only job classification. With this you are associating it to job classification. Main job classification. So you got the linking or any doubts in this? Likewise, now we'll be giving you a task. Just create a separate job classification. If it is there job classification India MDF, then leave it in India field. You can add some more fields, like any field you can add, like we have added in legal entity, pan, or name, job classification, name, type, and all you can add, and name it as normal data type string, and just link it to the main job classification. First link it to job classification country over here. Just try it by yourself. Here India is not this. Here India is there. Here in job classification, India increase limit some more fields or something like that. Or if any country is not applicable here, you can create the custom country, custom job classification of that country, and link it over here in associations. Then link it with this job classification, this country, and no need to link it over here because already it is associated with job classification country. So just you have to just link it over here. As India is linked, India will be having only one of, we are seeing only one field. Go to job classification India, add some more custom fields and see what is the difference in the front end. Just try it of your own. Any doubts in this?
No.
Yeah,
Yeah.
just
Clear.
try it of your own. If
Yeah.
because until and unless we practice, it will be a little bit tricky for you. So if there is any doubts, then let me know tomorrow. If you are facing any
Okay.
doubt, just play it around. USA, France is there, Thailand is not there. See here, just create your own job classification and name it like this. Just view my legal entity type. It is the same how I linked with the legal entity, but the only middleware is you have to link it to job classification country and region object, and already the country and region objects are linked it in legal and in job classification main, what we say, main object, right here. To job classification already, you no need to touch here, just you have to associate it with here. Just try it and let me know if you are facing any issues. Okay, so that we can uh, look after it tomorrow. So tomorrow we'll be starting a new subject like not associations. Associations are done. uh, XML objects. Okay.